Hello there, happy Saturday. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. Starting out the day with lots of clouds, and they will stick around. There's a possibility of a passing shower or two, but take advantage of Saturday morning and into the early afternoon because that will be the driest time of the weekend. As you can see to our south, we're tracking lots of rain from St. Louis all the way into Cincinnati. Very embedded thunderstorms are possible, so heavy rain at times, moderate also. Over Metro Detroit, there are no watches or warnings at this time, even though we're expecting to receive anywhere between 1 to 1.5 inches of rain over the weekend. To our west, there is a flood watch in effect until Monday at 8 a.m. Grand Rapids, Lansing, expecting to get anywhere between 2 to 4 inches of rain over a ground that's already saturated. So that just means flooding is possible. Rivers and streams will once again be above their flood stage. So here's what we can expect on this Saturday as we put this futurecast into motion. Pretty much our morning is dry. Take advantage of it. Headed to the Easter market. Maybe want to get a jog in. Do it early. By noon, we're looking at some moisture being pumped in from the south, so Toledo into southern Monroe. The rain will stay to our south pretty much throughout the entire day, but then come 3 p.m. that's when we're starting to see the possibilities for some passing showers over downtown into Pontiac, and then later on this evening and into tonight, that's when the rain becomes a little bit more likely. And overnight, that's when we're expecting heavy rain and even the possibility for thunder. How about our highs today? Ranging anywhere between 45 and 55 degrees, so that's a huge spread. And most of these readings will happen really early in the morning. Our temperatures pretty much in the afternoon will be in the upper 40s. Tonight, 44, heavy rain, thunder likely. Tomorrow, Sunday, 80% chance for showers, 65. We stay unsettled. Monday, 66. By Tuesday, 57, and we finally dry out Wednesday with a high of 60.